Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing ingredient. Now do you know that plantain peel, like unripe plantain peel, could actually help you to diminish, gradually remove stretch mark. Now there are some ingredients in which we're going to be mixing this thing with, okay, that would actually activate it and make it work really well. Now know here that stretch mark is something that does not just disappear on the skin as much as dark spots do. Even dark spots fade, so stretch mark would gradually, leave your skin little by little, and before you know it, it is gone. When you use this judiciously and consistently, because they are natural, there's no chemical in it and all of that, so you have to be consistent. Anyways, let me take you right into this video, but don't forget to subscribe, share, thumbs up, and let's go. Okay guys, now this particular treatment, I know that you've actually not tried before. This is plantain and this is unripe plantain. Okay, now unripe plantain is basically what you're going to be needing. Now there are two ways in which you can do this, but I'm only going to be showing you only one way, okay, and then the other way I'm going to be showing you in another video. Okay, so this is plantain and you have to use unripe plantain. Now this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be cutting the plantain, and basically what we're going to be needing in this plantain is just the plantain peel. So it has to be unripe plantain. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is that, since I'm not going to be making it too much, I'm going to be taking just a little of it. Okay, I'm going to be getting a crater, and then I'm going to be creating this. Now I'm creating just the plantain peel. After creating it, I would have to mash it and make sure that it is smooth. So I'm going to be using my small mortar to mash it. Okay, after that is done, I'm going to be putting that into this bowl. And this is my unripe plantain peel, just the peel, okay? Then what I'm gonna be needing also is this, and this is baking soda. bicarbonate of soda. So I'm not going to be putting too much of the baking soda, just a little, okay, so that it doesn't dry the plantain up too much. Then I'm going to be stirring and mixing it up. And this is how it looks like. Okay, so the very last ingredient, which is very important and which is needed here, is this, and this is shea butter. Now shea butter is a cream that helps to increase the elasticity on the skin. Mixing it with unripe plantain peel is going to make this ingredient bomb. Like you've never tried this before, okay, go give this a try. Now there's another way in which I can actually do this. I'm going to be doing it and show you in another video, but that is going to be with that. The ingredient is going to be this unripe plantain peel is going to be dried. So since I can't go dry it now, I'm just using it fresh. So you put your shea butter in the plantain and baking soda, and then we mix it up. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to make sure to grind your plantain peel very much, so that the cream is going to be very smooth, okay, so that when you're applying it, it's going to be pretty smooth. So that's basically it, and this is how you're going to be applying it. Now the cream is going to be pretty thick, just like this. Just how it is. It's very thick. Now what you do is that you're going to be applying this cream onto the affected areas where you have your skin tag. Now not too much of it, is not too much, you don't need too much. You apply it and then you would have to massage it in. Now since I didn't actually blend my plantain peel too much, that's why you're seeing the particles, but if you blend yours, you're not going to be seeing any particles, okay. Now mostly in the night is when you're going to be using this on the affected area. Now you have to use it every day, at least for the space of 3 months. You're using it as your lotion, not all over your body though, just on those affected areas where you have your stretch mark. You apply them like that, just like this, okay, and before you know it, guys, all of your stretch mark is going to begin to go. Like, now one thing I will tell you is that stretch mark doesn't, you know, go quickly on the skin, but this particular ingredient will make you begin to see a great and visible result from the very 1 week you use this, okay. So just go give this a try. I'm sure you're going to be loving it. Just make it and store it as a cream, okay. It's not going to go bad even if you keep it for 1 year. So you have to apply it every day. Don't just apply it for 5 days and say it's not working. Apply it every day for at least 3 months. But from the very first week, you're going to begin to see that your stretch mark is going to begin to disappear little by little, okay. So that's it. Go give this a try and you're going to be loving it. So that's it, guys. Have you seen that? You'd have to be consistent, just like I told you earlier in the video, and your result is going to be amazing. It's going to be beautiful, and it's going to be very visible with time. You have to be patient too. Alright, guys, so that's it. If you do love this video, please give me a smash, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.